The tensions between Iran and Israel aren't just about borders, politics, or religion. They are the result of decades of mistrust, conflict, and competing visions for the Middle East. What's happening today is not random. It's the outcome of layers upon layers of history, ideology, power struggles, and painful memories that refuse to fade.
To truly understand how we got here, we have to go back more than 40 years. In 1979, Iran was transformed almost overnight. The Islamic Revolution overthrew the Western-backed Shah, ending centuries of monarchy and replacing it with an Islamic republic led by Ayatollah Khomeini. Iran's foreign policy shifted dramatically from pro-Western to anti-Western, and most importantly, fiercely anti-Israel. The new Iranian leadership declared Israel a Zionist enemy, a state built, in their eyes, on the suffering of Palestinians. For Iran's revolutionary leaders, Israel wasn't just a rival. It was a symbol of everything they opposed: Western influence, secularism, and occupation. Since then, Iran has made it a core part of its identity to oppose Israel and to support armed resistance against it. And this wasn't just political talk. Iran put real power behind those words. It began funding, training, and arming groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Gaza. These groups launched rockets, suicide bombings, and guerrilla attacks on Israel. In response, Israel fortified its defenses, carried out military operations, and treated Iran as a long-term existential threat. But there's another layer to this conflict, one that's even more dangerous. Israel believes Iran wants to build a nuclear bomb. And even though Iran says its nuclear program is only for peaceful energy purposes, Israel, along with many Western intelligence agencies, isn't buying it. Over the past 2 decades, a secret war has played out. Iranian nuclear scientists were assassinated in the streets. Nuclear facilities were hit with mysterious computer viruses. Drones buzzed through the skies, and almost none of it was officially acknowledged. It was a war in the shadows, quiet, deadly, and invisible to most of the world. But things didn't stay in the shadows forever. In April 2024, the conflict burst into the open. Israel launched an airstrike on Iran's consulate building in Damascus, Syria. The attack killed senior Iranian commanders, crossing a red line. That building, technically protected under international law, was considered Iranian territory. For Iran, this wasn't just a loss, it was an insult, and they vowed to respond. What followed shocked the world. Iran launched a massive, coordinated missile and drone attack directly on Israeli territory. Not through proxies, not covertly. This time, it was official. It was open. It was war. Hundreds of drones and cruise missiles filled the skies. Israeli air defenses, including the Iron Dome and Arrow systems, sprang into action. Most of the attacks were intercepted. Damage on the ground was limited.